What's up, everybody? Devin up here, and today I got the Galaxy Pixel Buds A series. So we're gonna unbox this, talk about this, see what this thing can do. All right, guys, throw the threes for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Hey. Alright, the Pixel Buds A series, let's get it started. First of all, they look like a freaking egg, man. It's by Google, of course. Alright, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, here we go. So we got the Pixel Buds itself. We got USB Type-C charging, so you already know it comes with that fast charging. Here you got quick guides and warnings and safety, so that's pretty good. And then you also have extra bud pieces, so that's pretty cool. In different sizes, to small and large. All right, so we got the magical egg, you know what I'm saying? All right, so at the bottom, it has a USB port. Inside, here it is. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, these buds are a little ugly. The material's nice. Okay, you got a light emulating in the middle. The material here is nice. It feels nice and luxury, you know, nice and hard. The inside looks pretty nice. You got the magnets. You got the nice material in here. It's really nice. Then you got the buds itself. Like I said, the buds is not really much of a looker. They look like, I don't know, it looks like this is just kind of growing out of it. It looks kind of weird. Like, it doesn't look natural. It just looks like it's growing out, like on some weird stuff. All right, so this is your left, this is your right. It says G on them. All right, so you move to the side a little bit, have a little space right here. All right, so right now let's have the spec sheet right here, and then we're gonna follow the list of the specs that it has. All right, so let's get it started. All right, so it has an IPX rating of 4. That is pretty much the basics. A water rating, the IPX 4 is in the AirPod Pros, they're in Sony's, they are in Amazon earbud products. So IPX 4 across the board is pretty much basics. Anything below that is going to be considered terrible. So next it has Bluetooth 5.0, so that's pretty good. You can pretty much close probably one door behind you and walk about a few steps and you should be okay. Probably from your house to your mailbox and back. That's Bluetooth 5.0 rating, so that's pretty good. All right, so the battery life, which is the most important thing in buds, 5 hours of battery life, 2.5 battery life of talking time. And when it comes to the charging case that's included with it, it's gonna be 24 hours. And when it comes to talk time with the battery case, it's gonna be 12 hours. So right now, it's, you know, it's pretty basic earbuds right now. You know, not too bad and nothing wowing right now. So, hey, you get what you pay for. Speaking of paying for it, it only costs $100. So for $100, you get, you know, 5 hours with the battery life, 24 hours with, you know, charging it. So it's gonna stay alive for a long time, but for you using it, it's gonna be quite short. One earbud at a time, you know what I'm saying? Boop, 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 boop. Oh man, that sucks. So of course, you can use Google Alexa products, very small Apple products, that's with it. All right, so from what I've seen from all this is honestly just the same as the previous generation, just a little few tweaks here and there. Honestly, I don't really see the difference between the original Google Pixel Buds and the new one. So truthfully, if I was you, if you're in the market and you like Google products, I will honestly just get the basic Pixel Buds. I'm sure the A series have just better sound, probably have better sound quality, and probably just do a little bit more, have better phone calls. But besides that, I don't think you're really gonna miss anything. For $99, you know, hey, it's a fair price. It's not over the top like 160 or 200 range, but for what you're getting, hey, it doesn't seem that bad. If you already have Google Buds already, It's really no need to upgrade. But if you're in the market for some, just for some basic headphones, these will be great. So that's pretty much all I gotta say about it. Now let's listen to some music, and yeah. All right, so these how I look at my ear. Not too bad, they feel comfortable, no noise canceling. So again, you get what you pay for, but they do feel good in my ear. It feels like there's nothing in it, nice and lightweight. Hey, I like it. So I listen to some music a little bit, you know, it sounds decent. You know, they're like basic headphones, you know, they do sound great, they sound decent. It could be a little low, you probably expect some power into it, but you know, it's nothing really too mind-blowing. They're just basic headphones, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, they're not bad and they're not great, they're not the next big thing. They just seems like an updated version of the previous generation, which I'm saying, like, if you already own some, there's really no point of upgrading. But if you're in the market of upgrading, I will go with a different brand. But these are more like starter headphones, entry-level headphones, I guess I would say. And then you want to gift to somebody who has possibly Google products, or you're just looking for something that's with a good brand. And these will be it. These are okay. Yes, that's pretty much all I gotta say. They're just basic headphones, no noise cancellation, basic stuff, just basic, you know. Basic look, it's a freaking egg, you know. Yeah, that's all I can really say. Alright guys, so what do you guys think of the new Pixel Buds A series? Alright guys, throw the pizza for your boy. I'm out, stepping up here. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace. Hope you guys are safe out there. Be safe out there. And thanks for watching my video. And I'm out. Peace.